Being a content creator in Papua New Guinea is both exciting and challenging. From the highlands to the islands, PNG's creators are rising, but the road is not easy. Today I'll look at the real struggles, unique advantages, and powerful opportunities that define the journey of digital creators in our beautiful country. Let's start with the hard truth. Challenge 1. Limited internet access. With only 24% of PNG's population having internet access, many creators struggle with slow, expensive data, especially in rural areas. Challenge 2. Low equipment access. Most creators use smartphones with poor audio or video quality. Professional gear is expensive and rare. Challenge 3. Lack of digital skills. Many of us are still learning how platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook actually work. Few understand algorithms, SEO, or monetization. Challenge 4. No direct monetization. Platforms like YouTube don't fully support payments in PNG. Without PayPal, local creators can't easily get paid. Challenge 5. Slow growth. With a small local audience, channels grow slowly, and international visibility is limited. Challenge 6. Social judgment. Creating content online can bring unwanted criticism, trolling, or backlash from your own community. But there's good news too. PNG has huge opportunities for content creators. Advantage 1. Unique culture. We have over 800 languages, customs, and stories. The world is curious about PNG, and we can tell our own stories our way. Advantage 2. Low competition. Unlike other countries, very few people in PNG are creating digital content. This is your chance to stand out. Advantage 3. Global audience potential. International viewers love bushcraft videos, village cooking, and cultural vlogs. We can tap into that global interest. Advantage 4. Young population. Over 60% of PNG's population is under 25. That's a huge audience ready for content that's real and relevant. Advantage 5. Creative freedom. You don't need permission. You can start now using just your phone. Let's be honest, there are still many disadvantages. But for every problem, there's also a solution. Expensive data? Use free Wi-Fi zones. Compress your videos. No fancy gear? Use editing apps like CapCut or VN Editor on your phone. Can't monetize locally? Partner with a trusted relative overseas to manage AdSense. Don't know where to start? Watch free tutorials. Learn from others. Attend NICTA or NGO training. Getting judged? Be proud. Be smart. Protect your peace. Let your content speak louder. In the end, content creation in Papua New Guinea is more than just making videos. It's about expression. It's about opportunity. It's about showing the world who we are. Yes, the journey is hard, but it's also full of potential. So whether you're in Port Moresby, Mount Hagen, Wewak, or deep in the bush, pick up that phone. Start creating. You are the media. You are the voice. You are the future of Papua New Guinea. Follow Tech Basics PNG for more digital insights and support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with another creator who needs this.